Today, I'm challenging myself to master Apple CarPlay and show you how to make it super easy to use, even if you're a total newbie. Apple CarPlay is a total game changer for iPhone users who drive. I mean, think about it. With CarPlay, you can control your iPhone while keeping your eyes on the road. It's all about convenience and ease of use. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, trying to navigate with one hand while holding our phone with the other, or worse, trying to respond to a text message while driving. These aren't just annoying situations, they're dangerous too. Without CarPlay, I've found myself getting frustrated when I need to make a call or send a message while driving. And don't even get me started on trying to use Google Maps while behind the wheel. It's a total nightmare. Not to mention the fear of getting pulled over or, even worse, getting into an accident because you were distracted. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's experienced these challenges. In fact, I'd bet that most of us have struggled with staying connected and navigating while on the road at some point or another. And it's not just about safety, it's also about convenience. When you're driving, you shouldn't have to worry about how you're going to respond to that important text message or how you're going to get to your destination on time. You know, I used to think that CarPlay was just for tech-savvy drivers, but the truth is, it's designed to be super easy to use, even if you're not exactly an iPhone expert. So if you're like me and you're ready to ditch the frustrations of driving without CarPlay, let's get started. So, to set up Apple CarPlay, you'll need a few things. An iPhone running iOS 7.1 or later a CarPlay-enabled vehicle or infotainment system, and a Lightning to USB cable. Once you've got all that, plug in your iPhone and your car's infotainment system should automatically detect it. From there, you'll be able to access all your iPhone's core features, navigation, music, phone, and messages, right on your car's display. Plus, with Siri built in, you can control almost everything with just your voice. One of the coolest things about CarPlay is how seamlessly it integrates with maps. You can get turn-by-turn directions, traffic updates, and even alternative routes, all without ever having to touch your iPhone. And with music, you can access all your favorite playlists and podcasts, or even stream music from third-party apps. It's like having your own personal DJ on board. And of course, with messages, you can dictate responses to texts, or even make hands-free calls. Let me show you just how easy it is to use CarPlay in real life. Say I'm driving to a meeting and I need to respond to a text from my colleague. With CarPlay, all I need to do is press the voice command button on my steering wheel, and Siri takes care of the rest. I can dictate my response, and it'll even read it back to me to make sure it's accurate. And if I need to make a call, I can just use Siri to dial the number. It's like having my own personal assistant built right into my car. By using Apple CarPlay, you can stay connected and navigate while on the road, all while keeping your eyes where they belong, on the road. And the best part is, it's designed to be super easy to use, even if you're not exactly a tech expert. So if you haven't already, give CarPlay a try and see just how much easier it can make your daily commute. Thanks for watching, and if you've had a similar experience with Apple CarPlay, be sure to share it with us in the comments below. And if you want to see more car tech videos like this one, be sure to check out our other videos. Make the background music energetic.